Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Access runtime error, that is Microsoft Access error 3014 cannot open any more tables. So if you're receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to update Office. To update Office, open any Office application. You can open Word, Excel, Access, then go to File and then click on Account. Now here you can see under Product Information, the option which says Office Update. Click on this drop down option and then click on update now and let the update complete. Now once the update is complete, now you can check you should not receive that error message anymore. Next step is to set up trusted location. So for this you can go to file, then click on options, then go to trust center, then click on trust center settings, then click on trusted locations, and then from here you can click on add a new location, browse it, and then set up a new location and check. Now this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. Now the last step is to repair Office. Now to repair Office, type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel. Now go to uninstall a program, click on it. Now find Microsoft Office and then make a right click and then click on change, click on yes, and then perform quick repair. Click on repair, and after the repair, check. If that does not work, you can perform online repair, which will uninstall and reinstall Office. So when you select online repair, just keep in mind that it will uninstall and reinstall Office. So first of all, try quick repair. If that does not resolve the problem, then go for online repair. And one of the steps should help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.